Trying to connect a Stripe account? Don't worry, I've got you. I'm Zim from Simpli, and I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide and get you up and running in no time. Step 1, log in and head to your settings. Just click that drop-down menu on the top right corner. Step 2, on the left-hand side, you'll see an option that says Stripe. Click it. Step 3, hit Start Verification Process. Step 4, enter your email. Whether you're creating a new Stripe account or an existing one, this one works either way. Step 5, set up your password or log in with your Google account. That's up to you. Step 6, set up your two-factor authentication. You can choose whatever method works for you, a security key, app, or your phone. I'm going to be using my phone for this guide. Once you're in, Stripe is going to give you a recovery code. Make sure you keep it safe somewhere. Step 7, now we're filling in your business details. Fill in the required information like your name, phone number, address, etc. And if you want to skip ahead, skip this number on the screen. So people often mess this part up, and the main idea is that if you're not incorporated or are registered as a nonprofit, you should pick the individual business type. And this is true for student organizations or small family organizations. All right, and this part is pretty self-explanatory, so just fill in your personal details. And then click continue. All right, for business details, just select your industry. I'll select software, and then your website, and then product description. All right, and now you're gonna add your account for your payouts. Canadian currency, transit number, institution number, account number, and then confirm your account number. All right, now select your payout schedule. So you can either select manual, so you get to decide when you want your first payouts, or you can automatically set up a system where you set it to this week on this specific date. So I'm just gonna click manual because I wanna be in control of when I get my payouts. Click continue. All right, now it's time to add public details for your customers. So I'm gonna make a statement descriptor for Simpli Events purchase. Shortened descriptor, I'm just gonna put simpli.ev. And then for customer support, you can add a customer support phone number. So I'm gonna add that in, and I'm gonna allow it so that it shows my phone numbers on receipts and invoices. Now show your customers your climate commitment. This is completely optional. You can either put 0.5, 1, 1.5, or no thanks. I'm just gonna put 1% for now. Now we're going to be doing your tax calculations, and this is to know when and where you need to collect your goods and services tax, your GST. So in my case, my primary product type is digital goods, and I'm gonna click opt in to Stripe tax. All right, and now we just review and confirm all of the information that we've put into this. Once you're done reviewing everything, click continue. And that's it, you're officially connected to Stripe, and you're ready to start collecting those sweet ticket sales. Now quickly, before you go, let me show you how to access your Stripe account. So on the home page on simpli.events, click the drop-down menu on the top right and go to your settings. Then on the left panel, click Stripe. And then there you have it, the purple button that says Manage Stripe Account, click that. And just a friendly reminder to keep track of your emails in case Stripe messages you about wanting more info.